Hey guys, so I want to share how I took my client's hair from this to this in a matter of only 4 sessions, and it was non-surgical. So scalp micropigmentation, SMP, might be the perfect solution for you if you have permanent hair loss and you are comfortable wearing a buzz cut. So SMP is a non-surgical treatment where natural pigments are applied to your scalp and it creates the appearance of hair follicles. So it's like a detailed, natural looking tattoo for your scalp, but it's not a tattoo because the needle does not go deep enough in order to make it a permanent tattoo. It's perfect for people who are dealing with hair thinning, bald spots, or even scars from hair transplants or injuries or permanent hair loss. So the process involves 2 to 3 sessions. The maximum is 4 sessions, and I just add layer of pigments to match your natural hair, skin tone, and density. So over each session, I build on the look to create a more in-depth and more realistic look. So whether you want a buzz cut, a fuller hairline, or you just want to conceal scars, SMP can give you a flawless natural look. So now you're probably wondering, how long does it last? So with proper care, SMP can last anywhere from 3 to 5 years before you need a touch up. So after the procedure, there's minimal maintenance required. Just avoid excessive sun exposure, keep your scalp moisturized, and be gentle with exfoliating products. So if you want a long lasting confidence boosting solution that's easy to maintain, scalp micropigmentation might be exactly what you're looking for. So feel free to reach out and we can discuss if this is the right option for you. Visit alopeciadoctor.com.